Most people never realize what happens before a car reaches their driveway at all. Every vehicle carries a silent promise, built not on hope but on precision and data. Behind every working button and every glowing light hides a story most consumers never hear. That story involves engineers, software, and a level of detail that would genuinely shock you. For Aptera, that story begins with one quiet but powerful piece of software called Greenlight. Aptera is not your typical car company, and they have never once tried to be. They are building a solar-powered, three-wheeled electric vehicle that breaks nearly every automotive rule. Their approach to manufacturing is just as bold, built on efficiency, ingenuity, and engineering pride. And nowhere is that pride more clearly visible than in the way they test everything. Most large automakers spend enormous sums on third-party software just to test their vehicles properly. Tools like Vector Tanu are used widely across the industry for testing electronic control units. These programs are powerful, technically dense, and they carry an extremely high price tag too. For a startup like Aptera, buying that kind of complexity simply does not make any sense. They do not need software designed for giants managing thousands of vehicle models across the world. What they need is something lean, precise, and built specifically for the Aptera vehicle alone. So instead of spending that money, they made a decision that changed everything for them. They chose to build the entire testing tool themselves, completely from scratch, with their own team. That single decision reveals exactly how Aptera thinks about their resources and their engineering culture. It is a company that solves problems from the inside, rather than outsourcing to anyone else. That same philosophy is exactly what gave birth to Greenlight as a fully in-house tool. Greenlight was built by Charles Custon, an embedded software engineer working directly inside Aptera's team. An embedded software engineer writes firmware, code designed specifically for dedicated hardware at deep levels. Unlike typical developers, these engineers work at the lowest and most hardware-specific layers of code. Charles designed Greenlight entirely from scratch, built precisely for Aptera's own manufacturing validation line alone. He described it as an automation tool created to validate vehicles on their low-volume production line. The software walks technicians step by step through starting and fully testing every single vehicle built. It captures over 1,000 individual signals from each vehicle, comparing them to known perfect values. 1,000 signals, verified, compared, and confirmed for every single vehicle that touches the line. That kind of detail cannot be achieved with a clipboard, a pen, and a checklist alone. It requires a system smart enough to know precisely what perfect looks and feels like always. Greenlight is that system, and it reaches far beyond simply checking whether a headlight turns on. Before Greenlight existed, testing at Aptera was mostly manual and entirely dependent on individual technician effort. Technicians would enter a vehicle carrying a test plan and a goal to cover features. They would perform the test, consult a procedure document, then record results in a separate place. After that, someone had to manually communicate all those findings back to engineering and management teams. There was no central system pulling everything together into one reliable and accessible location at once. Important details slipped through the cracks, slowed things down, and created dangerous inconsistencies on the floor. In any manufacturing environment, inconsistency is not just an inefficiency, it is a genuine safety risk. Greenlight was purpose-built to eliminate that problem by replacing scattered manual work with one unified platform. With Greenlight, data capture and testing procedures are fully combined inside a single seamless workflow always. Less context switching means fewer mistakes, and fewer mistakes means more reliable vehicles reaching real people. That logic is simple, but it is the true foundation of building quality vehicles at scale. When you look at the Greenlight interface, the first thing you notice is its deliberate simplicity. There are no spinning dials, no color-coded dashboards, and no flashy performance graphics anywhere on screen. What you see instead is a clean, text-based interface, focused, functional, and completely purposeful always. It is a program clearly designed by engineers for engineers, with zero wasted space or distraction. When a technician opens Greenlight, the first screen asks them to select their name from a list. Every test run is immediately tied to the technician who performed it. Accountability built in first. After choosing their name, they select their station and then enter the vehicle identification number carefully. Greenlight uses the last digits of the VIN to pull up everything it knows about that vehicle. It knows exactly which station the vehicle is at and which specific tests should be run. Only tests relevant to what is physically installed at that point are made available to run. This elegant logic prevents technicians from ever testing something that simply does not exist on the vehicle yet. As the vehicle moves down the line, new tests unlock automatically, smart, efficient, and waste-free always. Aptera's assembly line runs through 18 stations, starting from Station 0 all the way to 17. Station 0, called Blue Bench, serves as a standalone lab verification point before production officially starts. Station 1 handles pre-line receiving. This is where the vehicle's official production journey truly begins. Station 2 is where the surfboard is installed. That is Aptera's unique structural body component. Further down the line, wheels, drivetrain, cooling systems, and all major components are added and connected. High-voltage components and battery harnesses follow. Then electrical systems and full interior installations come next. Dedicated lighting stations verify every single light on the vehicle before the vehicle can move forward. Station 16 handles controls, and Station 17 is the final end-of-line verification checkpoint for everything. By the time a vehicle reaches Station 17, every system has been tested, confirmed, and validated completely. That thoroughness is exactly what separates a vehicle worth trusting from one that is merely assembled. But Greenlight goes much further than guiding technicians through a standard physical checklist of basic tests. The software performs a deep audit of every electronic control unit at each station along the line. These ECUs are the brains behind nearly every modern vehicle system operating on the road today. Aptera connects these units through a protocol called the LIN bus, a simpler alternative to CAN. Using the LIN bus reduces wiring harness complexity and overall vehicle architecture cost without any performance sacrifice. Greenlight audits each ECU individually, checking firmware versions, connection status, and communication behavior every single time. Units for the corner lights, air handler, underbody, B-pillars, rear, and roof are all checked. Beyond the electronic audit, Greenlight also manages more than 60 manual tests per vehicle at production. These tests require human eyes, human judgment, and direct physical interaction with every part of the vehicle. No computer can confirm a turn signal blinks correctly. A human must see it and confirm. The manual tests cover lighting, controls, Bluetooth, horn, wipers, hazard lights, and the air handler fully. Air handler testing alone checks face direction, feet direction, defrost, fresh air, and recycled air modes carefully. The coolant pump test runs at 50% power first, then ramps to 100% fully. Every step is defined, every result is captured, and every run is permanently stored on a server. After each test, all results are automatically uploaded to a central dashboard accessible by the whole team. Management sees the overview. Engineers see the detailed signal data. Everyone sees the same honest picture. Aptera can pull up any vehicle, Hermes, Apollo, Gemini, Atlas, and see its complete test history. If a station keeps producing failures, that pattern surfaces in the data almost immediately and clearly. Engineers investigate, find the root cause, and fix the issue before it spreads to more vehicles. Without this data, problems hide for weeks. With Greenlight, they become impossible to ignore or miss. Greenlight also captures battery management system data and solar performance figures directly at the production line itself. Every vehicle leaving the line has been verified to be generating solar power exactly as designed, always. That is not just a quality check, that is a promise to the customer being actively kept. Charles once walked into the facility and heard the sounds that Greenlight plays during active testing. Those audio cues, small sounds his own code generates, told him his tool was being used. He said it put a smile on his face and that it genuinely felt good inside. Not because his software existed, but because it was clearly making a real and meaningful difference. That is the most honest thing anyone can say about their work. It matters and it helps. Greenlight is not featured in magazines. It will never trend online or win a design award, but it is exactly the kind of quiet, foundational work that determines whether a company truly succeeds. Aptera built their own testing tool before delivering a single customer vehicle, and that says everything. A company that builds tools this carefully is a company that takes quality seriously at every level. And that is a company worth watching, worth believing in, and absolutely worth paying close attention to.